This year I achieved 100% on my most recent LQA audit in in-room dining. I was given the tools to succeed by the leadership from the day I arrived, and fantastic support from all my other artists around the hotel.
In 2018, we created a culture based on sense of purpose, building that to next level of confidence.
Being inclusive and supporting each other, which was something I think the F&B department did fantastically this year.
It's that intangible feeling of team spirit, that sense of belonging and feeling unique and feeling valued.
My ambitions as a woman feel acknowledged, and I really feel like there are no limits to what I can accomplish within my team and beyond.
Every team member is really committed to making everybody else around them feel super respected and valued.
I think the biggest success for us in 2018 is when we created the culture of recognition in our division that really helped us drive the overall performance of our artists as well as the division.
Wild decisions and take heavy risks in order to anticipate the guest needs, come out from our comfort zone, which is what a service excellence means to be.